Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just a few minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, let's open up a blank slide and then we're going to insert this rectangle shape right here. The next thing we have to do is just insert it and change its color, and then what we're going to do is just change the shadow, and we're going to give it the 5th number shadow. Here we go. The next thing we have to do is just give it an increased shadow, but change the shadow's color to gray because the black color is very much darker. Here we go. The next thing you have to do is just insert this small corner rectangle from one side, and let's put it right here. The next thing we have to do is just insert a text box. Whatever the text you want to write, just type it down. Then we're gonna insert this triangle and send it to the back. Here we go. Let's just send it to the back, give it an inner shadow as well because we want to give it an effect. Then what we're going to do is give it a darker shade of the same color that we used for the rounded corner rectangle. Then what we're going to do is insert a text box for the title. Here we go. Let's just insert our content text. Then duplicate the shapes using Ctrl+D, and we're gonna make them a bit very far and together with each other. Here we go. The next thing we have to do is just change the colors. Then one by one we're gonna just change the colors. Here we go. Let's give it this yellow green color. Then what we're going to do is just after changing the colors, we're going to go to shapes and insert this rectangle on both the sides so that we can just give it a white color to remove the side shadows. So yeah, after doing all of this, we are finally here with our final result. This is the final result of this video after giving the title. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to comment down.